Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be doing this cat sconce mould. A sconce is like a candle holder that hangs on the wall. So as we're coming up to Halloween time, I know it's only September, but Halloween, people tend to celebrate Halloween all through sort of October and make things. So I'm going to be doing this cat mould, like I said. I'm using black mica powder by Sigwang or Sigwang, and I can't remember where I bought this from. I think I bought it from Amazon. If I can find the link, I'll pop it in the description below. So I'm just gonna mix this into my resin. I've done quite a bit of resin because I didn't know how much I was going to need. And I don't know how much of this mica powder I'm going to need either. I may need a little bit more. Let's see how transparent it is. I don't want it to be transparent. I want it opaque, because hopefully I'm going to make 2 of these eventually, one for each side of my wall, each side of my fireplace wall. I don't have a fireplace, it's been blocked up, but I want one for either side. My telly hangs on that wall, so they'll be hanging on either side of the telly really. I think I might need to use the isopropyl alcohol to get rid of the bubbles. Oh yeah, that's much better. Let's give it a bit of a stir. This has come out quite opaque, so I think I did right by putting just a spoonful in. I'm hoping I've got enough, otherwise I'll have to mix up some more. Alright, let's pour that out of the way. And I'm using a glass Pyrex jug. Obviously this is a black cat. Oh, and I've completely gone out the mould here. Black cats obviously are said to be the companion of a witch, which is why it's used to symbolise Halloween. But if you come across a black cat, it's supposed to be good luck. So I'm not quite sure what black cats are supposed to symbolise really. Are they supposed to symbolise the evil of a witch, or are they supposed to symbolise luck? Because you get some people say one and some people say the other. So right, I think that should do, and I have got enough for the other 2 bits. There's 2 more bits because you slot it all together then. So let's do this bit first. Ooh. Very nearly almost over poured. And this last bit. Wow, there we go. I had enough. I've probably got half an ounce left maybe. I'll have to find another mould to pop that half an ounce in. But anyway, this mould, once it's cured, which for me will probably be tomorrow, for you it'll be a few seconds, I'm going to you saw the little stars and that in the mould. I'm going to use either gold leaf to fill those in, or I've got this. I've got an acrylic paint marker which I may use. It's all about experimenting. So I want those little bits gold for this one. So I will do that when it's cured. So I'll see you guys in a bit when this is cured. Hello, I'm back again. Right, we're going to demold this. Oh. Oh, that's nice. So the tea light candle will fit in there. Obviously you don't use naked flames, you just use the ones with the batteries for that. This is the bit that holds it, and then let's get down to the cat. There we go. Look at that, it's beautiful, isn't it? Right, I'm going now. Right, I'll show you how it fits in. That goes in the front. I may have to. Oh no, that fits. Oh, that's a nice fit actually. And then I think, oh, you have to put it all in together, or this bit goes in first because that helps to hold this top bit in. Okay, can you see that, guys? Let me just bring you up a bit. There we go. Fantastic. Right, so I'm going to take this apart again now because I want to go into these little sections. Can you see those? The little stars and that with my gold acrylic paint pen. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to get into all of them because they're quite small, but we'll see. I might have to use the tip of this to spread it into there. Oh, that's good. This is definitely going to take a while, guys. Let me see if I've got any acrylic paint. Oh, I've got antique gold acrylic paint. That might be much better. No, it's a Hobby Corner metallic paint. I can't quite remember where I got it from. Let me just put my glasses on. I might be able to read the back then. Let's have a look. No, I can't remember. It's probably B&M. I think I got this in B&M. But anyway, so what I'm going to do with this is, if you remember, I did another project, the planchettes, and I put the paint on and then scraped it over. Oh, I can't get this open now. Let's see. We've got this. That's better. There we go. So I'm going to do that on this one. It would be better than the paint pen. Try and get a little bit of that out. Right, I'm going to give it a wipe over first. Oops. Oh, now I've got bits of the wet wipe stuck to it. That was clever, wasn't it? Oh my goodness. Right, let's try again. Okay, so I'm going to use this. So it's a bendy silicone brush, and I'll squirt the paint on like that, and then just gently push the paint in to all the holes. Scrape it across to get more. Obviously the eyes go right through, so they won't be having any of the paint in them. There's bits on the ears. The stuff gets everywhere, by the way. It's a bit messy doing it this way, but I find acrylic paint is quite good. If you've got a really nice acrylic paint, you know, it's really nice to do details like this, and especially as it's coming up for Halloween. Everybody's going to be doing like Halloween projects, witchy things. I try to keep up with the trends, but we'll see. Oh, I've got a big blob of paint on there. There we go. You've got to scrape it from different angles because it doesn't always get into the hole that it's supposed to. And sometimes there's air bubble underneath, so it brings it kind of, oh look at that, it kind of pushes the paint out again. There we go. Right, have I got every bit done, do you think? Oops. Should wear gloves when we're doing this, really. It saves your hands getting icky. I think I've got everywhere. Right, so when you've done that, just gently wipe as much of it off as you can, but don't wipe anywhere near the holes or the areas that you filled with paint, because it might come out and then you end up having to do it again. So just try and wipe, some of the excess paint off where you don't really want it. Avoiding those holes, obviously. Get the sides wiped off. That's it. And just gently. I've missed a few holes here. I'm gonna have to go get a little bit more paint. another wet wipe. You'll have to forgive me, guys, if you can hear me sniffing. I seem to have got the cold that's going round. It's typical British weather, starts to turn cold, so everybody ends up getting a cold. Right, okay. Just check the top. Right, so the next thing to do is leave that to dry. Doesn't that look so pretty? Oh, I love it. I can't wait until it's all dry. That is so pretty. I love it. I really love it. And I'm going to make 2 of these. So I'll probably make the other one off camera. But when they're both done... Oh, there was a little bubble there and it's popped. Spread it through. There we go. So when they're both done and put up in my front room, I'll show you. But once this one is finished, obviously I'll show you the finished product all put together. I will come back and we'll do that top layer of top layer of resin, UV resin, and then I'm just having a think of this, about this. I'm just wondering, actually, of going round the inner circle, but then, yeah, I think just to make it look a bit prettier. There we go. I'm not quite sure what these are for. Can anybody tell me that? What these gaps are for? I don't know if they're supposed to hold anything. Maybe if you've got a little bit of sage or some other herbs or something you want to put there, I suppose. If anybody knows, let me know, please. And then I'll be back with you soon. Okay, see you in a minute. Hi guys, I ended up putting some of the gold acrylic paint in some UV resin and filled the stars in, and I put a top coat of UV resin on the top here, and when I moved my little pot of spoons and things, I passed it across the top of my cat, and look what's happened. I didn't realise that one of the plastic spoons got stuck on the top of here. I went off to bed and left it to cure, and came in this morning, and yeah, so that's kind of ruined it. I guess I could try and sand it down. I might try and save it because it's only for my use anyway. But the other thing that's happened, I don't know if you can see this, guys, the resin has come back away from the edge there. So can you see that, guys? So I'm not that happy with this cat. I may, like I said, try and sand that down. I might try and just, I mean, the resin came back from the edge all the way up there. The rest of it's okay. It's just this edge here down to there. Oh, and around the eye here, there wasn't enough resin there. I mean, it is only for my use, so I'll get some sandpaper, sand this off, maybe try and save this by popping some more resin there, and recoating this bit here, and then it will go up on my wall. But anyway, let's just see, because I've put that top coat of resin on, I don't know if all this will fit in now. It's a little bit better. There we go. And can you see that, guys? Oh, I might have to bring you up a bit more. There we go. And there's my cat sconce after I've sorted that bit out. Okay, right, so anyway guys, I hope you have a great morning, afternoon, evening or night, wherever you are. Please like and subscribe my video, it does really help me out. 80% of my viewers don't subscribe, which is really sad, but you can subscribe. You don't have to watch all of my videos. Even if you just watch one or two, that would be such a great help. And anyway, enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.